Welcome students. Today our topic is resistance in series. Now firstly we draw the circuit and then explain it how resistance are connected in series. This is R1, R2, R3, R4 and so on. Now you can see in the circuits all the resistance are connected in one lines. R1 represent the resistance R1, R2 represent the resistance R2, R3 represent the resistance R3 and R4 represent the resistance R4. And this whole circuit is connected with voltage supply. This is how connected in the circuit and represented by V. Now let R1 be the resistance, R2 be the another resistance, R3 and R4 be the resistance and all are connected in series. How I explain that all the resistance are connected in series? Look into the circuit and all the resistance are connected in one lines. R1 connected to the R2, R2 connected to the R3 and R3 connected to the R4. Another explanation of resistance are connected in series are that the current remains same in all the resistance. Across R1 the current should be I, R2 this is also I and R3 this is also I and R4 this is also I. Now we know that according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. V equal to IR, and we know that the voltage will be different in series circuit and current remains same in all the resistance. Now V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2, V3 equal to IR3 and V4 equal to IR4 and so on. Now total voltage equal to V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus so on. V equal to IR, V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2, V3 equal to IR3, V4 equal to IR4 up to so on. Now taking common I from both sides, now the remaining equation is that R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Now I get cancelled from both the sides. The remaining equation R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Now R is represented by RS because we are studying the circuit R resistance in series. Now RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. This is the remaining equation for the circuit in series. Thank you very much.